Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have an Ecowitt Rain Gauge and need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now there's kind of one of two reasons you're going to want to do this. The first one is troubleshooting. If you're having any issues with connection between the main unit and the transmitters, or if it's not connecting to other things, if it doesn't seem to be working right, if it seems to be not frozen or not responding, a hard reset can fix a lot of these things. Also, if for whatever reason you just want to get all the memory cleared out of it and all the settings reset and everything like that, just like it's coming out of the box new, we can go ahead and do that quite simply. All we need to do is with the main unit turned off, we're just going to go ahead and we're going to come in and we're going to press and hold the set and the high-low buttons simultaneously and power up the display. And that will reset everything to the factory default mode. Now, once you do that, it's going to be unpaired from the transmit from the actual rain gauge itself. So what you're going to want to do is register the transmitter. So once that happens, once you have the normal display back up, you're going to hold the rain up and the rain down button for 5 seconds. And that will register the transmitter signal for 3 minutes. So it'll basically give this thing 3 minutes to get figured out that it needs to start listening to this transmitter again.